Every moment of happiness is precious and it must be seized. I offer you a very simple one. Make this delicious chicken gyoza with your family and spend together a moment of conviviality. Here are the ingredients for 40 gyoza. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by making the gyoza wrappers. For that, dilute 1 teaspoon of salt in 22 centiliters of water. Put 500 grams of wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Pour the salted water little by little into the flour wine mixing. Knead until forming a ball. Wrap it and let sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mince 200 grams of cabbage. Put it in a bowl. Pour in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and let clear. The dough has rested for 30 minutes. Now, knead it for 5 minutes. And then let it rest for another hour. In the meantime, prepare the stuffing. Thinly slice the white part of the leek. Mince 2 spring onions. Keep a large quantity for the stuffing and a small for the dipping sauce. Finely chop the latter. Grate a piece of ginger to have half a teaspoon. Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Squeeze the cabbage to remove the water. Remove the skin and the bone of the 4 chicken thighs. Cut them into pieces. Then blend the chicken with the garlic clove. Put it in a mixing bowl. Then add the grated ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix until getting a sticky texture. and put the cabbage, the leek, the spring onion, combine. Keep it in the fridge. Now, prepare the dipping sauce. Put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili oil for those who like it spicy, the spring onion, combine. Also add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix and the sauce is ready. After 1 hour of resting the dough, we can now make the gyoza wrappers. Divide the dough into 2 bowls. Leave one wrapped in film while we spread the other half. Sprinkle the table and the dough with cornstarch. Spread the bowl with the rolling pin to get a small disc. Tightly wrap it around the rolling pin. To spread the dough, only roll forward, never backward. To bring the dough back to you, lift it. When rolling, my hands first press in the center and then gradually towards the 2 ends of the rolling pin. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Unroll the sheet of dough and give it a quarter turn. Repeat the same operation several times until getting a thin sheet of about 2 millimeters. To help the spreading of the dough, you can sprinkle a very little cornstarch from time to time. Before cutting, sprinkle both sides of the sheets with enough starch. This will prevent gyoza wrappers from sticking. Cut 9 cm diameter discs. We get 40 thin and regular gyoza wrappers. Cover them with a dry cloth. Now we make the gyoza. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Spread it well with a brush. Moisten the edge of half the wrapper. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the center. Fold the wrapper in half. Pinch the middle. Press the stuffing a little. With the right hand, make 4 folds on the upper right parts of the wrapper. The folds go toward the center. The left hand presses on each fold to enclose the stuffing. Do the same with the left side of gyoza. Adjust its shape. We continue to make the gyoza and place them in a pan next to each other. After cooking, we can separate them easily.
Oh, c'est joli ça!
When the gyoza are done, cook them over medium heat for 5 minutes. Then pour in 25 centiliters of water. Put a lid, turn on low heat, and let cook for 6 minutes. Remove the cover, put on high heat, and let the liquid completely evaporate. Then put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to flavor and make the bottom of gyoza crispy. Let them brown uncovered for about 4 to 5 minutes. Monitor the cooking so as not to burn them. Cut the fire. Turn them over. The gyoza are golden brown on one side. They are ready. Bon appétit! Present your gyoza grilled side up. They are very appetizing. Homemade gyoza wrapper brings taste. It is consistent. We appreciate gyoza for their stuffing and also for their wrapper. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.